Hey! Fucking hell. Oh my god.
I can't see.
Bruh. Imagine your windows open. No. Don't open. What the fuck, dude? Holy shit.
She's the best.
What? Yes, imagine getting slapped by this thing.
Essa é o tanque para mim.
Fucking hell! Your car's went down! It's such a dick. He went open the window. Dude, the whole camera's went now. Oh, it's waterproof, it's fine, doesn't matter. Please don't do that again. Caution, hot. Oh my word, you can literally feel it pushing against the car. Oh, holy shit! Bruh. This thing is winding up, it's getting ready.
Biggest shammy mechanic you've ever seen.
Shammy mechanic. Dude. It's spun for nothing and for nobody. It's got a little thing that says wait, go. Okay, hold on.
Pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex zone. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Your old squad shady, my bros raw. No breaks, we go. Throw shade, that's a no. Go high, go low. Like spinning in a 644. Cash money like 504. Ball like AD24. No sleep, need more. Pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up.
Try cooler video, but garam better.
Huh? Herman, what did you just do?
Are you putting him on Instagram? Why are you celebrating? So birthday, something like that? Or do you just want to leave?
My birthday next week.
His birthday on the 11th.
How old? How many years?
25.
25? Congrats. Happy birthday.
Congratulations, Herman.
Yeah, that's a good gift though to celebrate.
Is it?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah. Of course. What?
Then
I want you an investment.
How much?
No, that is not like sneakers.
Come on. Just for kids to do it. So, happy birthday. What did you get yourself? Hey, happy birthday to you. Hey.
I like
Happy
that
birthday.
celebration.
It's like that sometimes. Thank you so much,
Oh,
guys.
that's nice.